LG's billion-dollar gamble paid off in spectacular style last year, as its OLED TVs dominated the premium end of the market. A combination of performance, features and some fairly aggressive pricing resulted in LG beating Samsung's QLED when it came to higher-end models. So, what can LG possibly do next? Simple, just make the best even better. The new C8 isn't massively different from its 2017 counterpart, the LG OLED C7, so you still get an extensive set of features that includes almost every high dynamic range format and Dolby Atmos sound. New for this year is the design of the TV itself, not to mention the internal components where LG has integrated its new Alpha 9 processor and added some new picture features to deliver a TV that sets the OLED bar very high indeed. If you're looking for screen size variety, the C8 comes in three sizes: a 55-inch, Oled55c8 $2,999/$2,499, 65-inch, Oled65C8 $4,499/$3,499, reviewed here, and 77-inch, Oled75C8 $7,999/$8,999. The C8 is yet another winner from the LG design team, with an elegant simplicity that effectively emphasizes the ultra-thin nature of the OLED panel. There's no bezel, just a black metallic trim around the outer edge, reinforcing the sense of a size 0 screen. The TV is mere millimeters thick at the top but widens out at the bottom, where the electronics, speakers and connections are housed. The rear is a two-tone affair, with brushed aluminum at the top and dark gray plastic further down, and the overall build quality is very good. The TV sits on a wide and sloped stand that not only retains an attractive aesthetic quality but also serves a practical purpose, redirecting sound from the downward-firing speakers towards the viewer. There is a genuine beauty to the streamlined minimalism of the C8, and it's a lovely-looking TV. LG abandons minimalism for a more comprehensive approach to the connections, which include 4 HDMI inputs, 3 at the side and 1 facing the rear. There are also 3 USB ports, with 1 at the side and 2 facing rearwards, along with a terrestrial and satellite tuner, a LAN port, a SysLot, an optical digital output, a line out and a headphone jack. On the wireless side, there's built-in Wi-Fi, WiFi and Bluetooth support. Operating the C8 remains a pleasure thanks to the Magic Remote, an incredibly precise motion controller. This handset uses a combination of on-screen pointer and scroll wheel, allowing you to easily access menus, navigate the smart platform and control the TV. You'll quickly appreciate the merits of the Magic Remote, making other TV controllers seem antiquated by comparison. Design Dr. The C8 is beautifully designed, combining style and minimalism to deliver a TV that perfectly complements the impressive picture quality. LG's WebOS remains largely unchanged from previous years, but, if it ain't broke why fix it? That said, you can expect the same intuitive and highly responsive smart platform that still uses a launcher bar along the bottom this time around. Here you can choose from various streaming services and connected devices, as well as other features such as the gallery, which has been expanded this year, content store and web browser. There's also a very useful recommendations service that can be accessed by moving the Magic Remote cursor to the right-hand side of the screen. This monitors your viewing habits and makes recommendations based on a predictive algorithm. WebOS is incredibly easy to use, but despite its inherent simplicity you'll find all the UK catch-up services thanks to Freeview Play, as well as Now TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube. The latter three include support for 4K, HDR and, in the case of Netflix, both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. If you're looking for other ways to control the C8 besides simply using the Magic Remote, there's the option of LG's Effective Remote app. There's also voice control, which uses a microphone built into the Magic Remote and has been upgraded this year with natural language processing, making interaction more conversational. It's actually quite effective and can prove very useful, especially when searching for content. When voice controlling the TV, there are also simple guidelines built in that can be accessed using the appropriate button on the remote. The improved voice control is part of ThinkAI, which is a proprietary artificial intelligence technology that LG has added to WebOS this year. It is based on the Internet of Things, IoT, and uses Think Open Standard Control protocols to enable its TVs to communicate with other devices that support Think. Speaking of communicating with other devices, Think also includes compatibility with Google Home and Amazon Echo AI speakers. Smart TV TL, Dr. WebOS was a game-changer when first released, and it remains the best smart platform, with a comprehensive set of streaming services and easy control via remote, app or voice.